Very briefly, I thought I'm going to talk about a ketogenic or a keto diet today. What is a keto diet? Now we know that our cells thrive on glucose. We live on glucose normally. However, our cells also has the ability to live on ketones. So keto diet or a ketogenic diet basically comprises of 80% fats and 20% proteins. These fats have to be natural fats. What are unnatural fats? For instance, trans fats are unnatural fats. You get trans fats in margarine, for instance. And the proteins, the 20% that you eat, they also have to be natural proteins. Can you eat vegetables? Yes, you can eat vegetables. You can get your electrolytes and vitamins and all that from eating vegetables. Can you eat carbohydrates? Very little, if you really want to, because otherwise you will come out of keto. Now initially when you start a ketogenic diet, the body will change from using glucose to using ketones as fuel. This period might be a little bit difficult because one might find that you develop keto flu, some condition that is similar to flu, and one might find that it's a difficult period. But once you change over, of course, and you are on a keto diet, then things will be much easier. And even if you break it later on for a day or two, or maybe when you go on holiday, start eating carbohydrates, body will find it easy to change over to keto diet when you restart it. Now, keto diet of course has quite a lot of benefits. You will lose weight, and it is also said that keto diet helps in the prevention of cancer. So there are lots of benefits like that. But the message today is that if you want to start going on a keto diet, do that. But remember, you must take natural fats and natural proteins, and the changeover period will be a little bit difficult, but of course you will get used to it, and then it will be beneficial for you.